Hello, my name is Ramūnas. I am production manager here at Ekstremalė. We are a CNC manufacturing company with an incredible team behind it. I've been working in this industry for over 6 years. High standards of quality and efficiency is our trademark.
Company Ekstremalė has more than 10 years of experience in CNC manufacturing, working with some of the most demanding industries: lasers, defense, optics, robotics, and even space exploration.
Quality is at the core of everything we do. To ensure precision and reliability, we utilize advanced measuring systems like our CMM machine. Another strength we take pride in is our rapid delivery for prototyping and small-scale manufacturing. This makes us an expert partner for R&D projects, where the speed and adaptability are the key.
The manufacturing at Ekstremalė is streamlined to save time and reduce lead times. The company provides surface treatments such as powder coating, sandblasting, and Cerakote in-house. For other finishes, like anodizing, nickel or gold plating, the company collaborates with trusted partners to ensure high-quality results.
We also support our customers in their R&D projects by offering expert advice to optimize designs for machinability. This helps both to solve technical challenges and also reduces manufacturing costs, resulting in more competitive pricing.
The company's facility is equipped with state-of-the-art machinery, including a wide range of Haas 3 to 5-axis machines, a DMG Mori 50 Eco Mill 5-axis, and 5 3-axis milling machines, 4 of which are also Haas.
Additionally, we have 2 Haas turning machines, ensuring we are fully equipped for a variety of projects. At Ekstremalė, we are committed to delivering precision, quality, and speed for all our customers. We are here to turn your ideas into reality.